show, count, and write all of the numbers from 1 to 20, we're going to learn how to count to 20 when we're given a different number other than 1.
Hi there! It's almost time to feed the animals at the zoo. The caretakers fill these buckets with food. I wonder how they keep track of all these buckets. It would be a lot easier to count them if they were lined up. Can you help me? Click this bucket to line them up for counting. Now we can see the numbers on these buckets. Come on, count with me. 16, 17, 19, 20. Oops, did we just miss a number? Oh, you're right. One bucket does not have a number. So, how can we figure out what that number is? I think we have to know how to count and order from any number. You know, I'm still learning how to count and order. Maybe we should get some help. Come on, let's go.
Let's count forward from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. When you count to 20, each number is one greater than the number before it. Let's look at the number 6. Which number is one greater than 6?
So the number 1 greater than 6 comes after. So the number that comes 1 after 6 is 7.
7 is one greater than 6. Now, which number is one less than 6?
So the number that's less than 6 comes before. So the number that is 1 less and comes before 6 is 5.
5 is one less than 6. So 5 is the number that comes before 6. You can build cube trains to model numbers. Use the number 6 to build a 6-cube train.
So let's click on the number 6.
You now have a 6-cube train. Now, use the number 7 to build a 7-cube train. You now have a 7-cube train. Let's see which cube train is larger. This 7-cube train is larger. It has a number of cubes one greater than the 6-cube train. Izzy made cards for 6, 8, 7, and 5. He wants to show the cards in order. How should he show them? If Izzy wants to show the cards in order, he'll need to move some of the cards into different places. Let's see how Izzy can place the cards in order. When you count forward, 6 comes before 8, and 7 also comes before 8. Move the 7 card before the 8 card.
So let's move the 7.
Now count to see if the cards are in order. 6, 7, 8, 5. Izzy's cards are still not in order. 5 doesn't come after 8. When you count forward, 5 comes before 6. Move the 5 card so that it is before the 6 card. Let's count to see if Izzy's cards are in order now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, Izzy's cards are now in order. How many counters do you see? Let's count. The top 10 frame is full, so that's 10 counters. Now let's count the counters in the bottom 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 counters and 7 more counters is 17. There are 17 counters. Select the number that shows how many counters are in this set.
So 16 is made, 17 is shown with a 1 and a 7. So this is 16, 17, and we counted 10 and 7 more, which means 17.
That's right. There are 17 counters. How many counters are there in this set? Select the number.
So we know that there is one more than 17. So one more than 17. And when we count forward, we go 17, 18. So an 18 is made with a 1 and an 8, which matches my number on top.
That's right. There are 18 counters. Here's another set. How many counters are in this set?
Now in this set, there's one less than 17. And the number that comes before 17 is 16, which is made by a 1 and a 6, which again matches my number on top.
That's right. There are 16 counters. Now let's put these sets in order. Click the number that comes first in counting order.
So when we count, do we go 17, 18, 16? Or another way we can look at it is that the number that is smallest, which means it has the least, should come first. Which of these pictures has the least amount of counters? It looks like 16, so I'm going to click on 16 first.
Good job! The number 16 comes first in counting order. Which number is 1 greater than 16? Click the number that comes next in counting order.
Now, the number that comes next has 1 more than 16. So which picture has 1 more than 16? Or I can count, which would go 16, 17. And a 17 looks like a 1 and a 7. So I'm going to click on that.
Good job! 17 is 1 greater than 16. Now put the last number in order.
And then last after 17 comes 18.
18 is the last number because it is 1 greater than 17. Let's count the numbers in order. 16, 17, 18. You put the numbers in counting order.
Thanks for helping me figure out how to count and order numbers. See you soon.